Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in once again. I just wanted to give you guys a quick reminder that I did change my name here on YouTube because it's been my old last name for like so many years. So I changed it to Maite Bates. So if you ever do care to share my YouTube name, please remember that I did change my name. Okay, anyway, straight into this video. As you can see by this title, you already know that I'm gonna share a little trick that I love to do when I don't have that much time to spare. So what I'm gonna teach you guys today is how to turn an old twist out. A really old twist out. This is like 2 weeks now, maybe 10 days, maybe almost 3 weeks if I'm not mistaken, of an old twist out. And I'm gonna teach you guys how to turn it into a bomb wash and go. So before I move on, make sure that you subscribe, make sure you hit that like button, and leave a comment on whatever your thoughts are on this new technique that I'm gonna show you today. So the tools that you'll need for this style are a water bottle spray, your Denman brush or whatever brush you like to use, some butterfly clips, whatever styling cream or whatever leave-in conditioner of your choice. Today I'll be using the Taliah Waajid Shea Cocoa Natural Hair Moisturizing, Detangling, and Styling Cream. I'll be using, of course, my new favorite gel, the Wetline Extreme Professional Styling Gel, and of course a towel just in case you get dirty, and you know my face is done up, so I don't, I want to avoid getting it on my face. I'm just gonna put this right on my lap and we're gonna get right into it, okay? So first, you're going to take a small section, you're gonna spray it with some water, not too much, just enough to have it a little bit damp, okay? And then you're gonna moisturize it in. Then you're gonna take just a little bit of the styling cream, less than a dime size, because the point of this hairstyle is that it should dry quickly, because that's what we're trying to avoid, is a long day of hair drying. So I'm gonna go ahead and moisturize it. So after putting a dime size of the styling cream, we're gonna go ahead and be extremely generous with the styling gel. And I feel like I didn't put enough water, so I'm just gonna spray just a little bit more. And lastly, I'm gonna go in with my Denman brush from the ends to the root. And then we're just gonna continue. well, this is the end result. As you can see, I did the other half off camera, but I hope you guys enjoy this super easy way to do a wash and go without the hassle of having to actually wash your hair. This took me about 15 minutes, maybe 20 minutes at most, but of course, because I'm recording, I have to pause, and you know, that took me a little bit longer. But if you decide to try this style, make sure to tag me in your pictures or DM them to me, send them to me, whatever you like to do, so that I can see how it came out for you. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button before you close this video out. Make sure you like it and share it with a friend, because you never know, your friend may not have time to do her wash and go. So this is an easy 15-minute style for her to try. And of course, because I didn't wet it that much, it should be dry in less than a few hours instead of 2 days like it usually takes me to dry. Anyways, I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching.